possibilities of big data they are tremendous. Look at your own private life. You wake up with a digital tool which tells you how well your sleep went last night. Then you eat something, you put it into MyFitnessPal. Then afterwards you do some movement and then the fitness tracker will track your movement. So it's clear that there is more and more information that is captured. What will the company do with that information? Because it's all about correlation. It's about bringing, let's say, intelligent elements together and then get some more things out of it, the synergy of intelligence.
However, when you look at security, we can also use big data to know the intent of a user before he actually tries to use your application. So you could use IP intelligence features. So if one IP address already attacked 3,000 other customers before reaching your application, and when that IP address reaches you, you could use big data to already know that he has a malicious intent.
First of all, they have to be trustful. They have to have a quite intimate relationship with their customer, because that will rise the level of data that the customer will be prepared to share. Secondly, they have to mention clearly what they want to do with it. I think that is very important, and one goes hand in hand with the other. If you are clear on what you want to do with the data of your customer, the customer will often be prepared to share it. It also has to have an advantage for the customer. If I would only get commercials and banners on websites that really interest me, that's a big advantage for me.
Big data is teamwork. Because it's not enough to have only technology, you also have to know how the business works and understand the business value of things. So it's most of the time a teamwork based of different skill sets, people of different skill sets. And it's quite important when you start a big data project that you start with an exercise. A live exercise on real data, that's fine, but you start with an exercise to see how these people work together and to make them learn how to work together.